hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this will be my first video for my bio-intensive gardening series. So for today, I guess we're gonna have to discuss first. I'm gonna tell you about what is bio-intensive gardening. So bio-intensive gardening is a biological approach in agriculture which utilizes the things that we see in nature, and we're not gonna use any chemical pesticides, chemical fertilizers. So we're not gonna use all of that. So we're gonna have to use organic. Everything is organic. We're not gonna use any chemical based things. So for today is we're going to have a tour for the spot that I've chosen for my bio-intensive gardening project. So the spot that we're going to choose, it doesn't necessarily that it's big, because it's the goal of bio-intensive gardening that we're going to utilize the small space that we have. We don't need large spaces for our garden. So let's go.
Still don't like micro flash. Moonlit shadows neath my eyes. Spring to fall, I'll be the night. Wolf is hungry, time is night.
Hi, so the place, we're going to the spot that I've chosen for my bio-intensive gardening, and it's actually in front of our house, but the house is there. And yeah, here is the spot that I've chosen. Ta-da! So this is the spot that I've chosen. Ta-da! So this is a spot that I have chosen because of two reasons. I've chosen this spot for two reasons. First reason is that it's beside a rice field, and that is also a rice field, but the farmer decided, the owner decided to not plant for this season. So the first reason is it's because it's beside a rice field. Then of course there's an irrigation system over there, and my chosen lot is over here. So it's near a water source, which is good for the soil, to keep the soil moisture, to keep the aeration of it. And yeah, so the second reason why I chose this lot is that the soil in here is not that clayey, and it's not that sandy. It's just suitable for growing crops. Even though it's beside a rice field, it's not really that clayey or muddy or whatever. It's just right, it's suitable. So I've already prepared this land a week before. I've already placed some layout over there. As you can see the line over here and there, and then until there. So I've already prepared this land. I've already performed land preparation, basics in here. I've already tilled this land and removed some weeds. However, that was a week before. That's why there are already weeds growing out from it already that fast. And also, as you can see, there are dried leaves falling from this tree here. So we're going to leave it there because it's good. The goal of our biointensive gardening is to, we're going to use anything that comes from nature for our fertilizer, for our pesticides. So for now is I'm going to tell you about my plans for my biointensive gardening. So as you can see, the edges of this plot, the edges, I will utilize it to plant vine type of crops like palaya or string beans or anything that is viney, because it utilizes or it uses small spaces. It uses small spaces and it will just use small spaces, and it will be good. The more spaces, it will be good for me to plant more crops, because we're going to do multi-cropping here, and we're not gonna do monocropping where we're going to plant just one type of crop, because it's not really advisable. And also, yeah, I'm going to utilize the edges. I'm going to utilize the edges over there. I'm going to plant vine types of crops. And then also what this space, that space. So the whole space, I think I can plant 3 more crops or 4 more crops here. I don't know. I haven't really thought of it. I can plant pechay here. I can definitely plant pechay. I can plant what else? I can plant tomatoes. I can plant okra, and also I can also plant what else? So yeah, I've realized I can also plant lemongrass at the other edge of here. I can also plant lemongrass so that I can keep insects away, because its scent, oh my gosh, the scent of lemongrass helps in keeping pests away. And yeah, so far that's my plan. So for that was my plans for my biointensive gardening. And so yeah, that is the space that I'm going to utilize soon as possible. So yeah, and that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something. I hope so. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and so that you will be notified for my next videos. And also my next videos will be about the series. It's actually a series on how I prepared my biointensive garden by myself. Of course, I will do it myself because this is my project. And so that would be all. Bye.
This love is running like rapids, we're burning like wildfire. Recklessly diving deep, never too close to